Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, in this question we will solve division. So 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20 times 3 minus 60. It is because PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first of all, if in a question division and multiplication both are present, then we have to move from left to right. Mean we have to perform the function which is at left. So we will perform division because it is at left. Now we will prefer multiplication. So 20 times 3 is equal to 60 minus 60. So answer will be 0. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel. Thank you.